So just a little over 6,000 miles away from Phoenix lies a beautiful little town called Sorrento. Yeah, Sorrento, Italy. It's located just south of Naples, Italy, on what they call the Sorrentine Peninsula. Its history goes back past 600 BC, and the area has been the favorite vacation spot for both Roman emperors all the way up to the current visitors of today. And of course, me. Yeah, you see, this is my second visit to Sorrento, and I came back to see if what I had experienced almost 7 years prior to this wasn't just a fluke. And since this was my second trip, a lot of people, of course, were curious to know what some of the big draws were of Sorrento. Well, Sorrento is known for a lot of things: the unique European-style ocean fronts, old fishing docks where you can still see the fishermen tending to their nets, the history, and the interesting sights that make Sorrento unique. And of course, the large piazzas that invite you to jump into the bustling mix of visitors, locals, shops, and beautiful architecture that make it feel just so Italian. And of course, one of the best known things that happens in Sorrento, and actually all over Italy for that matter, happens when the sun goes down. The shops and restaurants open, and the streets and alleyways become alive with people getting out, enjoying the cool night air, and either relaxing or exploring the Sorrento nighttime magic. And you have to love the fact that people are here from all over the world. And what are they doing? Well, a lot of them are shopping. A lot of them are just enjoying the beautiful classic Italian architecture, the fact that the ocean is right here with all the boats and the docks. But the big discovery most people make when they come to Sorrento is the food. I don't know, maybe the food, and of course the pizza, just tastes better here. And that's where my little quest comes in. You see, I grew up in the Chicago area, so yeah, I'm a bit of a pizza snob. I grew up with a lot of pizza snobs. I mean, let's face it, we grew up eating the best pizza on earth. Anyways, about 7 years ago when I was visiting Sorrento, I just happened to try some pizza at a little place called Pizzeria Aurora. And I'm gonna admit it, it might have been some of the best pizza I'd ever had in my life. So now I was back to see if maybe I had possibly been mistaken. And looking at their pizza, it really doesn't look like anything special. Some cheese, maybe a little tomatoes, a little basil, and it was even kind of runny. But this time, when I took that bite, again, I couldn't believe what I was experiencing. It was so good, just like 7 years ago. I mean, what are they putting in this stuff anyways? That's when I found Antonito and his mama, who, as I was soon to discover, were a part of several generations of family members that make this place and the food absolutely magic. You know, this is the place that I've gone to several times, and now we're back. We're talking about Pizzeria Aurora, right? I said it right. This pizza.
Margherita is the classical Neapolitan pizza, actually Sorrento pizza, and we take quite good care on the ingredients. I would say the secret, besides the passion we put in doing our job, it is like we keep on searching the fresh ingredients.
Pizza è piace di più.
E la lava mozzarella e pomodoro fresco.
Allora, Mama, she likes, I'm translating for her, especially in this period. Like.
And there, it finally hit me, right in front of me. I think I discovered the hidden main ingredient that I was looking for. It was called family, or as they call it, familia. Generations of one family that has been carrying on the same traditions of preparing and serving food for decades.
Six sisters, 2 boys.
80, mamma, 8 figli. 80.
Okay, she's the boss, my grandmother. She's the sister of the boss. I'm the 3rd generation. And for us, the family is the first thing of life. He's the last one of 3 brothers. He's Marco.
At least, but not the last.
And also my mother. My mother is the first of 3 brothers. Okay?
Now you got everything. Now you have the entire family.
Okay.
Everybody, let's hear it for
And now, I think it started to make sense to me. After meeting the whole family and eating what might be some of the best food on the planet, there was no way they were going to let us leave. Yeah, they fed us some more food, of course, and then Marco couldn't wait to show me how they create the pizzas right there off the main street. And then, of course, Mama insisted on showing me some more of their fresh food that is made from ingredients found right there in the Sorrento area. Yeah, I was in heaven. And now I finally realized that maybe it was little places like this and families just like this that make Sorrento one of the most beautiful places in the world. And maybe, just maybe, it's why the food seems to taste just a little bit better in Italy.